is immense progress. I can see a lot of progress since the last time we were here. You can see caterpillars, the heavy works. Or there will be shops. I don't know. Hey, not sure if those will be shops.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
One of the most modern facilities in this region, the Eastern African region.
So we are on that side. Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching us from. This is Talanta Sports City. See, on the outside an inspection is happening and we are just here to check on the updates. Wow, see here, hey, this is immense progress. Guys, for those joining us, remember, if you're joining for the first time, subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. And to all our returning supporters, we say thank you for always being here, for always supporting us to come up with these So today we were supposed to have the meeting of the CS being questioned, but I think he was not able to make it. And you can see this is the way I'm dressed.
Haya, wachana nao. Wenye wataki wacha. Wenye wataki wacha. Kwa mnakwambia kuna shadow kwa ofisi yako.
Wow, I can see a lot of progress since the last time we were here. You can see caterpillars, the heavy works. And you can see the senators and different committee members. They are ready to inspect the field, and you can see cabros, walkways, and guys, I'm here with
Yeah, this is now the Talanta Stadium, one of the most modern facilities in this region, the Eastern African region. 60,000 magnificent, gigantic stadium. Everything will be included in this stadium, everything modern. Like now outside we are going to have an athletics stadium where they will train and also feel part of the Talanta as a city now.
oh wow.
Okay,
Yes.
because now inside there we are only going to have football and rugby.
Wow, Maybe just remind people your channel.
My channel is Jack's Connect, and we are privileged today to be here around the Ngong Road,
Yes.
inside the Talanta City Stadium.
And we are going to witness the progress so far.
Yeah.
Guys, today gonna be that day where we showcase everything that is happening. So keep tuned, keep posted. To all our supporters, the experts in the house, professionals, engineers, architects, and various positions, let me say like this. I'm not an expert, I'm not an architect, I'm not an engineer. I just, you understand, just a person who is interested in travel and infrastructure developments happening in our country. So whenever we are doing this, we don't have that core information. Otherwise, what you saw as wearing is just the helmet and the reflector, just for this purpose. And the helmet is good. You know, I can get in the middle of the Talanta Stadium, and you realize that Senegal may have decided let them throw the cup, and it comes to land in Talanta Stadium, and maybe it finds me in the middle of the stadium. So I hope it can land on the helmet and my head will be safe. Anyway, to understand why this is a generational project, we have to look at the engineering under the hood. The Talanta Stadium is not just a concrete ball. It's a masterclass in modern sports architecture. The exterior is defined by these shield-shaped facade modules, a direct nod to the Kenyan flag and Maasai heritage. But look closer at the roofing system. Probably we may be seeing a sophisticated cable-supported grid structure using both translucent and transparent membranes. This allows maximum natural light onto the pitch while protecting 60,000 fans from the elements. The entire structure is anchored by giant steel beams and a plain truss system designed for long-term durability and that iconic floating look. Efficiency is the name of the game at Jamhuri grounds. We are hoping so. The master plan reveals a massive 45-hectare footprint. Beyond the main 60,000-seater arena, the city includes dedicated training fields with high-quality outdoor pitches for teams to warm up. We have a spectator floor with extensive evacuation areas and a dedicated fan square with intermittent fountains. And we also have logistics, that is a medium voltage distribution room and parking for over 3,000 vehicles, ensuring the stadium remains tech-savvy and accessible. One thing you'll notice is the compact design. There is no athletics track, which brings the fans right to the edge of the action. The seating is cleverly tired. The ground tire for the core fans, creating the 12th man atmosphere. The premium tires, highlighted in blue and purple, these will house the VVIP and VIP lounges. Then the skybox level. This features 52 exclusive business suites offering a world-class hospitality experience that rivals the best stadiums in Europe and across the world. Inside, the focus is on the athletes and the media. Athletes here, we say the sports people. So we are looking at 6 state-of-the-art changing rooms, a dedicated VAR control room, and doping control stations. The players' dressing rooms are spacious and modern, designed for peak performance. For the global audience, the press conference room and media suites are equipped for 4K live broadcasts, ensuring Kenya's story is told in the highest quality to the rest of the world. As we race toward completion, it's clear that Talanta Sports City is more than just a stadium. It's a landmark of national pride and a fortress for the Harambee Stars. Let's all enjoy. Area. Oh, the lady alisema tule tumuone. Hey, parking lot. Hii ni parking lot yako. Iko huko, si ndio? Alafu kuna zile za ndani. Naitwa impromptu. This is the parking area. Yeah, with lots of parking stuff. Very huge. I don't know. Oh, this will be served like the ticketing region, or there will be shops. I don't know. Look at how they look. And those are the washrooms. Wow. You can see more parking areas. Yeah, I can tell you there are a lot, for sure. I think during AFCON or during major games, I'm sure we shall be having this place fully packed. And this is not, I don't think if this is the only parking. We still have more other parking areas. And probably one will be the entrance and another one will be the exit. So you see from here, you see the Talanta Stadium is over there. Then you can see this side, they have marked, so this side, I think they are just waiting to be completed, and then they will be. I'm not sure if those will be shops. Worry yourself, you have somewhere to park. And we also have another parking area on that side, and inside there they have where you see the blue mabatis, we have a section where they have stored the seats that are supposed to be installed in the stadium. Wow. So you can see we have another parking on that area. Then on the other side we have a police station. Sawa.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.